Today, we're going to make delicious matcha muffins. Matcha has many benefits, especially antioxidants and energy-boosting nutrients. If you bake them at home, you can keep them low in sugar and use alternative flour like almond or oat to make them even more nutrient-dense. So let's get started. First, we will prepare matcha crumbles that we will use as a topping later. We'll need 20 grams of cake flour and 1 gram of matcha powder, 10 grams of sugar, and 12 grams of unsalted butter. Mix until it becomes a crumbly texture. Keep it chill in the refrigerator while we are preparing the muffin mixture. For the wet ingredients, we'll use 100 grams of softened unsalted butter, add 90 grams of sugar and mix. Add 2 eggs and mix a little more. Add finally 15 grams of honey and 2 grams of vanilla extract. Now let's add dry ingredients into wet mixture. Sift 130 grams of cake flour, 50 grams of almond powder, 15 grams of matcha powder, 5 grams of baking powder, and 1 gram of salt. Mix until there is no dry flour. Then add 80 grams of milk. Mix a little bit, don't overmix. We are going to use 60 grams of macadamia nuts. Chop them roughly and mix with muffin mixture and save some aside for topping. In a muffin pan, transfer muffin mixture and add matcha crumbles on top of what we prepared earlier. This will give a really nice crumbly texture outside of the muffins, and also enrich the depths of matcha flavor. Sprinkle some macadamia nuts. Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit, and then bake for 25 minutes at 338. Our matcha muffins are ready. Enjoy these delicious, healthy muffins. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy baking, everyone!